For years, GoPro has ruled the action camera world. The brand every adventurer, filmmaker, and content creator trusted to capture life at full speed. From mountain peaks to deep-sea dives, GoPro became the definition of rugged creativity. But that era might be ending because this time, DJI, the same company that revolutionized drones, gimbals, and handheld stabilization, is about to challenge GoPro's throne like never before. And if the leaks are true, the DJI Osmo Action 6 might not just compete, it could completely redefine what we think an action camera can do. This isn't just a refresh, it's a revolution. A pocket-sized cinematic powerhouse designed to capture the world. Sharper, smarter, and smoother than ever before. So buckle up, because this is where the future of action cameras begins. A new era of action cameras has arrived. The Osmo Action 6 is rumored to be DJI's biggest camera leap yet. We're talking about 8K video recording, AI-enhanced stabilization, a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor, and cinematic features that sound more like they belong in a mirrorless camera than something that fits in your pocket. Some industry insiders are calling it a mini cinema camera disguised as an action cam. Others believe this is the moment DJI finally dethrones GoPro. And when you look at what's inside, it's hard to argue, because this time,
DJI isn't just building another camera, they're building a storytelling machine.
Rewinding DJI's journey to the top, let's go back a bit. The Osmo Action 5 Pro already showed the world that DJI was serious about dominating the action camera market. It had sharper sensors, better HDR, and legendary stabilization. But creators wanted more. They wanted more dynamic range, more low-light performance, more cinematic control, and more battery endurance for long shoots in extreme conditions. And DJI listened, quietly working for over 2 years on a next-generation device. Now, that silent phase is over. The Osmo Action 6 is the result of that evolution, a product designed not just for thrill seekers, but for cinematic storytellers. The game changer, a true 1-inch sensor at. The core of this revolution is a 1-inch CMOS sensor, something no mainstream action camera has dared to attempt. For comparison, most GoPros still use 1.9 or 1.7 sensors. This is nearly double the size. That means more light, more color, and more clarity, even in the harshest lighting conditions. Imagine shooting a glowing city skyline at midnight or a forest trail at dusk and still getting crisp, detailed, noise-free footage. Early internal tests reportedly show over 13.5 stops of dynamic range, capturing every highlight and shadow with cinema-level accuracy. This isn't just good for an action cam, this could rival professional mirrorless cameras in certain conditions. 8K power, true cinematic control, and 10-bit D-Log. This camera isn't afraid of big numbers. The Osmo Action 6 is expected to support 8K 30fps video, letting you crop, reframe, or extract stills without losing a pixel of quality. For smoother motion, expect 5.3K at 60 fps and 4K at 120 fps, perfect for silky smooth slow-motion shots. And for hyper-slow-mo lovers, 1080p at 240 fps might just blow your mind. But the real magic is in color. DJI is reportedly adding 10-bit D-Log M color, allowing filmmakers to color grade like a pro and create footage that feels cinematic, not compressed. This combination, 1-inch sensor, 8K clarity, and D-Log M, could mark the first time an action camera truly enters professional filmmaking territory. Rocksteady 4.0, AI that predicts motion. Before it happens, we all know great footage means nothing without rock-solid stability, and this is where DJI's genius shines. The Rocksteady 4.0 system, powered by AI-based motion prediction, doesn't just correct shakiness, it anticipates it. It learns your movement patterns and adjusts before the shake even appears in the frame. Whether you're mountain biking, surfing, or skydiving, your shots stay buttery smooth, perfectly aligned, and horizon locked. Add horizon steady 360-degree leveling, and your video stays flat even if the camera flips upside down mid-air. No gimbal, no editing. Just pure, stabilized perfection. AI brains, the smartest action. Cam yet, this isn't just a camera. It's an intelligent companion. Leaks suggest the Osmo Action 6 will feature AI-powered scene detection, smart exposure balancing, and real-time subject tracking. That means you can start recording hands-free using simple voice commands like start recording, capture time-lapse, switch to 8K mode. Perfect for when your hands are busy gripping a handlebar or diving gear. It's filmmaking that listens, learns, and adapts to you. Hardware that means business. Let's talk design. Leaked renders show a more rugged, aerodynamic body with better heat dissipation and waterproofing up to 20 meters without any external housing. Inside, expect 47 GB of internal storage, enough for emergency captures when you forget your SD card. Connectivity also levels up. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB-C DisplayPort support, enabling live streaming, external monitor preview, and direct HDMI-style video output. And the battery? A massive 1950 mAh power cell rumored to deliver up to 4 hours of continuous 4K recording. Yes, you heard that right. 4 hours of 4K, that's double what most competitors can handle. The wildcard: smartwatch control. System. Here's where things get truly futuristic. DJI is reportedly developing a smartwatch-style controller that syncs wirelessly with the Osmo Action 6. You'll be able to see live battery stats, switch modes, track GPS data, and even monitor speed, altitude, or heart rate right from your wrist. Imagine mountain biking with your live stats, displayed on screen and or seeing altitude data, overlaid on your skydiving clips. That's not just tech, that's storytelling on a whole new level. Release date and pricing, what to expect, so when is it coming? Most leaks point to a late 2025 release, possibly around October, with global sales rolling out soon after. As for price, standard edition, around $329, $429 premium creator kit, around $479, $579, yes. It's more expensive than the previous model, but considering the specs, it might be the best value action camera ever made. The future of action cameras has changed forever at its core. The DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't just about specs, it's about giving creators freedom, the ability to capture cinema-quality stories anywhere, anytime, without bulky rigs or complicated setups. It's about taking every ride, every dive, every flight, and turning it into something unforgettable. So the question remains, will this finally be the camera that dethrones GoPro? Or is DJI about to invent a whole new class of portable cinema devices? One thing's for sure, when the Osmo Action 6 finally launches, the entire industry will be watching. And if even half these leaks are true, GoPro might finally have met its match. Outro. Touch Trove signature. So what do you think? Would you switch to DJI after seeing what's coming? Or will you stay loyal to GoPro? Drop your thoughts below. I'd love to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit subscribe, tap the bell icon, and stay tuned, because Touch Trove will be covering every detail, comparison, and camera test the moment this beast is unveiled. Until next time, stay creative, stay curious, and keep capturing the world around you.